Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dark Souls. Today it is snowing outside, which is beautiful. But enough about that. I have things to do, places to be, and all that. Now then, those of you who know about Dark Souls will probably know that there is a way to get back to the Undead Asylum, which is where the game starts. May also know about another giant fat demon that you need to kill when you're there. However, I am not ready to kill that demon. On my level 62 character on this game, I have not been able to kill that demon. One day I will, and I will hopefully put it in the playthrough. However, that day is not this day. And so, what I shall do is just go there to get something to help me on when I go to ring the second bell. Ooh, oh no, I unplugged my earphone. I need to plug that back in. Oh, professionalism. Oh no! But yeah, I need to plug my earphone back in, otherwise I can't hear game sounds. And if I can't hear game sounds, that's bad! Okay, we're good. We're safe and good. Kind of. I'm also kind of multitasking here and uploading a video from my phone to the YouTubes. Did I get that already? I did? Good. So come up here. Don't want to be threatening. Da-na-na-na-na. And I curl up like a ball. Yeah! So, about an hour ago, I uploaded Sniffle Souls number 5, Save Me Beatrice. I hope that everyone who's watching this has either seen that or plans on seeing that. Sorry, but this isn't the most interesting of visuals. But not much I can do about that until the cutscene comes along. There's been one view in 1 hour. I think that's a success if you ask me. Now it's time to upload a vlogamatron whilst this happens. I'm going to let you see this cutscene. Hopefully it won't get a copyright flag or anything. And if I do, then that's a bit silly, really. It's just I love that bird so much. Right, so, the next revlog. I mean, you'll probably already know this if you've seen it. What should I call it? I will call it... I forgot to say it's snowing. And then description. Hi, my name is James, and today I talk about timing. Because I do. Then set that to upload. Apparently it'll take 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Why is the time going up rather than down? Oh well, put these back on so I can start decimating sons of bitches. Hello there! Have you met our Lord and Saviour? Oh fuck, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Ah, why did I... That's not good. Ooh, what's the purple thing next to my face? Not next to my face, below my stamina bar. Next to my other buffs. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Spooky. Spooky scary. Probably everything from a ring, maybe? Not sure. I'll see if it's still there when it loads. Blech. Right, I'm gonna say that I started... Oh no, it's about 8 now. Started the video... Yeah, I suppose about now. Right, I've got to be more careful this time. Why am I going this way? Bad Reeve. Wrong way. Ah! Why am I so bad at this game? Oh my god, not again. Oh well, I may as well come down here and grab the fire bombs. Why not? But yeah, on my practice character, which is now a higher level than this guy, I may have killed everyone, including the people here. I'm not sure if on this character I killed Fuckwit McGee, and if I did, then I'm going to have to kill the other people about there. Because Fuckwit McGee is, a douchebag, so I killed him. But that means the priestess gets angry at me, and I feel bad if I kill her. I mean, I killed her on my other character, because souls. But that is besides the point, that is. That is very much besides the point. Anyway, as I was speaking of earlier, the egghead. You may not know what that is, but basically it takes half of your souls, but it looks really cool. That's about the only benefit I'll gain from it, really. So, I'm not really sure what I should do about that. Not really sure at all. Hello, bird. Thank you, bird. Right then, let's do this, shall we? Oh, the purple thing's not there anymore. Interesting. Very interesting. So if I don't get set on fire, I should be okay. Just the chain stuns with my low poise, not going to turn out well. Chug up. Running in here. This little hint here is such a dick move. Good job, go straight ahead. No. See that floor? That's all weak from where Fathead McGee landed on it? Yeah, you do not want to be just walking on that. I may show you why. Yeah, screw it. What have I got to lose? Other than 4k souls. That's not that many. I'll be alright. See? This happens. Then there's that. But this one's far more powerful than the one at the start. Otherwise you'd be like, oh, there's no problem. But no. This one fucks you up. Like, really bad. At least, he usually does. I assume I'm still gonna get fucked up pretty bad. Just I can't see... Ah, fuck. See what I mean? What a dick. Why? Why you do this? See, I don't know how to kill that guy. I just don't know. I'll find a way. I'll probably have to come back with like 8 billion poise and all of the health in the world, but one day, he's gonna die. It may end up having to be a Sniffle Souls extra, but then again, if I ever complete this game, I'm gonna be well chuffed, and it's gonna be like 600 episodes in. So, there's that. Another bad thing, right, is in case you forget about your traumatic experience, the floor heals itself. Ugh. Hello. Die. You can also die. Boo! Shakalaka. Anyway, remember at the beginning of the game when I said that Oscar's gonna come back and try and kill me? You know, the dude who saved us by dropping the key to our cell, into our cell, and then gave us the Estus flasks and whatnot? Yeah. He's not so kind anymore. Look at him. So evil. Fuck you, Oscar. I mean, you're still a nice guy and all, but... Ugh. The fact that you'd do this even if I didn't kill you earlier, it's just a dick move, really, isn't it? Plus you fight so much faster than me. It's such a pain. You know what? Due to my low poise, this is not good. I need heavier armor to deal with this guy. Otherwise he's just gonna wreck my face. Hey! How dare you, good sir! Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your shield as well. I mean, I probably won't need it, but I might against, like, Seath. Oh, that really shouldn't have hit me. Whoa, the snow is coming down. Oh well. It's gonna be fun when I do go to school, I can tell you that. Right, what time is it? It's 5 past. Damn, this is taking me forever. I am sorry. But then again, I do need to urinate. So after this episode, I'm probably going to go do that. Also haven't had any breakfast, but I do want to get at least 2 episodes in this morning. Just so that way I'll hopefully be able to upload one tomorrow, one on Wednesday, and then hopefully I can record some more on Wednesday. Okay, now there's 2 guys in here. Yes, yes. I can deal with 2 guys. Actually, if I do this, then do this, then do this, then do this, then do this. Oh. Really thought that would work. Oh well. Whoa, you're not dead. Fuck you, man. Hey, how dare you? Fuck off. Open sesame. No, nice little glitch hop there. And I don't mean the music type. Rusted iron key. Okay, that's what I came here for. The rusted iron, not key, ring. Jeez. Anyone think that I'm a noob at saying words in my own native tongue? Then they would be correct. And rest here. What do I need to level up? 4k souls. Really? So I did have something to lose when I went down to kill Fuckwit McGee. I'm calling everyone Fuckwit McGee. Sorry about my language today. I assume that it's just a temporary thing due to events that may have occurred on Friday, but I can't be sure. Just cannot be sure. Oh well. Oh, I might go humanify and try and kill that Black Knight. The one near the dragon, or Drake even. See if I get the Black Knight Greatsword. Die. Oh, yeah, I'll show you the little raven people. Where are they? Over there? Yeah. You gonna eat? No. Oh yeah, they don't do anything. They're just eggs. But if you drop certain things for them, then reload the game, I think, then they'll give you, I think, humanity, or I think there's a small chance of them giving you the old witch's ring, which would be cool. But unfortunately, I'm in no chance to save Solaire in this playthrough. Oh man, snow's so cool. Thank you, bird. Mama bird. Come on, Dark Souls. Dark Souls. This is a really weird episode, and I'm not 100% sure why. As I said, it may be due to events that occurred on Friday. May also be that I went to sleep early for. Oh shit. Don't die. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. I went round the wrong way. It's my own fault. Once I make it back to Filing Shrine and I have a rest, I'm gonna have to end the episode because I really need to pee. So once I've done that, peed, might go grab my lunch, which my mama made for me for school. Might grab the wrap from it to go and eat. Well, to eat during the next episode, because professionalism. Yeah, go grab that to eat for my breakfast during the episode. Because time management skills are... Oh my god! Why is every fire thing so burny? I mean, I understand why it's burny, but why does it do so very much damage? I mean, there are elemental resistances in this game, if I remember correctly. But Jesus! Anyone think that I had negative? Actually, let's have a look. Flame defense? No! It's my highest elemental defense. What the fuck, man? Ugh. Not a fan. Oh well. Runny, runny. Runny, runny. Runny, runny. Oh yeah, I've got to kill the Capra Demon. So hard. I don't like it. Oh well, I'll be alright. No, wrong button. There we go. Curl up like a ball. Skip the cutscene all. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It might actually be the snow that's making me like this. It's white like the moon, and the moon has effects on me, and I have a spot on my forehead that's extremely visible, and it looks kind of like a bindi spot, but it's slightly to the left side of my head, so it's not quite like that, I suppose. Now then, I don't want to dismount the cool way, I want to dismount the effective way. First drink up just in case. Oh, there's a hole. I was not aware of that. The light shines through it. How cool. Because this is... Where is this? Yeah, this is where the holy people go. Oh, that's pretty cool. I appreciate that. King seek a friend. He lives in a hole. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Wonder where the rest of his body is because you only see his head. Yeah. Right then, guys. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to call it there. Yeah. My name has been, and hopefully will continue to be, James. I will see you on the flip-flop. You will see me in a vlog. You will see Reverend in the next Dark Souls video. Goodbye.